Hey guys, this is Jeannie, your spa girl, and as a lot of you guys know, I love to work out, and I also am going through a blepharoplasty journey, and I'm healing my eyes from the inside out. So yes, I'm taking this aloe internally, but I'm also taking tons of supplements like bilberry, lutein, taurine, but I'm scraping all the aloe into a bowl right now, because I also take the aloe, like a strip of this, and I put it right on my face. I just rub it in on my face. And you could see the gel. It almost looks gross. It looks like some kind of snot or something, but literally since day one, my plastic surgeon said that my skin looks really good and I didn't have bruising. Well, it could be due to this aloe because I scraped the aloe off the aloe plants outside my front and back door of my house. Now, I could walk out literally in my pajamas. I've got the aloe so close to the house in the front and back. And that's because from the moment I planted the aloe, my intentions were that I was going to use it, on a regular basis. And it's really gooey and gross. I mean, when you put it into the thing, like you could see on my hands, it almost looks like snot, but it's not. I hate to say that word. Oh, it's so gross. But you take it, you put it in your bowl, and then what you're gonna do, and you can even do it with your hands, it's just a little gross, you're gonna take some vitamin E oil, and I've got this, which this bottle here, I got at a health food store. I got it at Whole Foods, and it's 5,000 I use a vitamin E skin oil. So I'm going to put some of that in with the aloe, squirt it in. And then I'm also going to I have avocado oil, which is also like $7 for a 4-ounce bottle. And it's organic. And I'm going to put a squirt of this avocado oil, because we all know that avocados are really good. I'm just going to mix it with my fingers. And now I'm applying it all over my face. And as you can see here, I do it all above my lips. I do it on my neck. It feels luxurious. I put it on my nose. I'm going to do my under eyes where I had the lower blepharoplasty. And it feels like silk and smells amazing. And then I'm going to put it above my eyebrows. I'm not going to put it on my eyelids. I'll put it on the corner where you get the crow's nest. But not on my lids. And the reason why I'm not going to my lids is because I just feel, I guess I could put a little. Yeah, I guess I'll put a little on there. It won't hurt it because this is all organic. It's all natural. And you can even rub it on your hands too while you're waiting for your face. Now, I do this and I leave it on my face and then I wash it off in hot water. I leave it on for about an hour. Now, while I'm doing that, you guys know I work out for 2 hours every day. Today I did yoga for an hour and I did weightlifting called body pump for an hour. So I'm going to put those 2 little bottles away and push my aloe and my vitamin E and avocado to the side. That's for my face. And now I've got the Mother Detox apple cider vinegar that's organic, okay? And I've got some baking soda. And I'm going to put a little lemon and water, and I'm going to put it in a big bowl, and I'm going to soak my feet. Now, you might ask the spa girl, why are you going to soak your feet? Well, I'm going to soak my feet, and I'm going to take this off because I'm going to soak my feet outside in the sunshine. And the reason I'm going to soak my feet is because all this working out can really give your toenails some real hardship. It can hurt your toenails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get myself a big enough pot that I can soak my feet in that I don't use. So I'm going to find an old pot. And I had one the other day. And then I'm going to soak my feet in it. And you use apple cider vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. And do that while you're waiting for your 1-hour facial, which is your avocado oil, your vitamin E oil, and your aloe. And if you are post blepharoplasty like me, I'm on day 58, and I'll be making that video in a minute to tell you how my doctor's appointment went yesterday. But you might want to do that. Treat your face to a nice, earthy, organic facial every day. Your post upper or lower blepharoplasty or both, because all that organic will go into your body and make you feel amazing. Now you can do what I do some mornings when I'm in a hurry before the gym. I'll use strictly aloe from the aloe plant, and I'll just smear it all over my body. And then when I touch my body, as it dries on my skin, I don't even rinse it off. My skin feels like satin where the aloe dried. Now, the reason I started putting the avocado oil and the vitamin E with it is I wanted to give an extra enrichment to my face and also to help with the inflammation. Check out my videos on the drinks I'm drinking and the supplements I'm taking. You all know I'm taking lutein, I'm taking bilberry, I'm having a cup of blueberries every day. I have literally done everything humanly possible on the inside and out to have a great result in 3 months post blepharoplasty upper and lower. So join me today, watch my video. I'm gonna make it as soon as I get done with this facial and foot soak. And then I'm gonna make my video of day 58, and I'll let you know what happened yesterday at the plastic surgeon's when he used the scalpel to fix the corner of my eye. I will tell you all about that. And if you have any comments or questions, please put them below and subscribe to my videos. Bye.